Hello, welcome to this week's package retro on September 16th, 2021. The first item of what went not so well is myself. And it was just a busy week, and I felt like I've been trying to catch up since coming back from vacation, and exciting, a lot of fun stuff to catch up on, but it was a little hectic. On to Michelle.
Yeah, this week I've been doing all the hiring for the team, and we found that there was some confusions, and we are still not ready to hire for Rails and Go, like some situation on our platform, but I hope we can have that solved soon. And next to Steve.
I can also read for Sophia, or did you read for Sophia? Sorry, I was
not paying
attention for a second.
No worries, but it says to keep it async.
Oh, sure, got it. This week the TTL policies slipped to 14.4, and then I also opened up a quick code cleanup MR in between some other work, only to find out that it was not as simple of a change as I thought it would be. And then the last thing is I couldn't figure out how to do the name highlighting in Google Docs, but then I found out, and now I know. Over to Haley.
So finally feeling better this week. Still probably not 100%. On to David.
Cleanup policies, the background jobs are slowly hitting their limits. Well, this could be interpreted as a good sign too, like it's a 30% growth, so more projects using the feature. Over to Nico.
Yeah, so maintaining review took most of my time this week, which is fine because the tasks are finished, but still I went from nothing to a lot of review. So it felt a bit shocking. Over to what went well with team.
Thanks, Nico. Yeah, I thought we wanted to thank Joao and Haley for creating the new Kibana dashboard that details what size images and blobs are being downloaded from the registry. It's really helpful. I think it's going to help us get in touch with some customers. And thanks to everyone for organizing and iterating on these technical debt and security meta issues. I think that's going to really help with backlog organization and prioritization. On to Michelle.
So even with the situation that we're having on the hiring recs, we are going good. I think hopefully like we are going to send an offer soon for Go. So hopefully we're going to have soon an engineer joining. So that is a really nice thing. And the other thing, it was really nice to have this week the one-on-ones in the 360s and learn about your strengths. I'm really, really proud about this team. So kudos to all of you. Like the level of autonomy that this team has is it's pretty outstanding, really, really amazing. So I'm really happy to be here. And next to Sophia, so I can read it. Apart from lower energy periods, the other ones were quite productive. Super happy to see David adding and help test. Google Cloud Storage integration is going really well. And I second Michelle, I really think this is an amazing thing. And next to Steve.
I really enjoyed the insightful feedback and all the kind words in the 360 reviews. And it was fun going back through all of the open issues I created over the last few years. It was nice to be able to close out a handful of them as well. On to Haley.
Yeah, listing paginated tags was almost twice as fast locally with the database compared to non-paginated tags with the file system. And locally listing tags with the file system is about as fast as the file system metadata is ever going to be. So that's pretty cool. On to Joao.
Yes, this was a very productive week for me with loads of changes across multiple projects, so it felt good. And apart from that, as Tim said, we now have a better view over the registry download bandwidth allocation per customer and project, which already started to pay off. On to David.
This week has been quite productive for me. I'm waiting for my last MR to be merged, and while I'm waiting for that, I'm trying to add a small one. We'll see if it makes it or not. Next one is Nico.
Yeah, 14.3 due to PTO time was a light milestone for me, so wrapped up early, and I had some bandwidth to take in some code climate stuff that makes me feel good.
Okay, I think that's everything. We can move on to the GIFs, but we do that offline. So I'll stop recording. Thanks, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of your week.